Well, here we are, early Father's Day morning. I've been down in the creek about a half hour, 40 minutes. Come across a decent little rock bar here. Still some decent rock out in the water, haven't checked yet. Let's see what we got here. Wide base on that thing. Almost looks like it's made like that. It might be a little ding there, but I'll take it.